Hey cuties! Mwah! Okay, so today I might be a little late on the trend of the drama of the telescopic lift. Is drama getting back on? Who knows? Stay tuned. Do these look like false lashes when you apply them? Do they look terrible? Do they look like shite? Do they look amazing? Who knows? Stay tuned and I will try it out for you. Bye guys! So if you don't know what's going on, if you haven't been on TikTok, if you don't follow anything in the beauty community, I don't know how you wouldn't, because literally everyone and their igloo has heard about this. Literally people in the Arctic have heard about this mascara, okay? So this is the Telescopic Lift, not sponsored, I'm not being paid. L'Oreal is like, who's? PiinkSparkles, who's that? It is a length, lift, and volume mascara up to +5 millimeters, visible length, exclusive load and lift brush, double and hook lashes. Brussels. We're in Belgium now. Basically, Michaela on TikTok reviewed this. If you guys don't know, her lashes look visibly different at the end. She puts on the mascara, it looks nice, and then the clip changes and it looks very different. It appears like there's falsies. I don't know. Is there? I don't know. I wasn't there. I don't live on her eyelashes. I am not an invisible man. Some people said she used a filter. Some people said she curled them after. Some people said she applied falsies after. I don't know. It's this whole thing, okay? It's literally a conspiracy. Shane Dawson's gonna come up with a series about it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do this eye trying to look like falsies. So I have lots of tools here that makeup artists recommend to look like falsies that I'm gonna try my hardest to make it look like false lashes. And then on this eye, I'm not gonna do anything and I'm just gonna apply it straight on and we'll see if there's a difference and if I can make myself look like I have false lashes, or if this mascara is just junk, or if it's really good. So let's get to it. Okay. I'm gonna teach you guys, take my advice loosely. I'm gonna use a Gucci liner just because I have had it for a really long time and it's a good one. I literally got it at Winners. Okay, so apparently to make your lashes look like a crazy, to make your eyelashes look bigger, I haven't done this in years, you're gonna tight line the upper lid. Oh my God. I just bought this Revlon lash curler, so an upgrade. Look at this. I feel like it's crooked. Here's it straight on. That's me on a Friday night. It's gold. I like it. So apparently you're supposed to do like the tips of your lashes first and then the base. Okay. I don't ever curl my lashes anymore. It's so dumb. Oh my God, sorry about the watering. Okay, now there's directions. So for the packaging, I like it. It's very sleek, it's minimal, I like it. I like how it feels in the hand. It's not too light, it's not too heavy. I really like it. It feels really smooth as well. And this is what the brush looks like. So for the packaging, I like. Step 1, lift and load your lashes using the front hook bristles, applying from root to tip. Smells like every other mascara. Okay, so load your lashes. Okay, so we will. Okay, I'm gonna load it and pull. Okay. Okay, it does seem very wet as I'm applying it. Ooh. Yeah, it's very, very thick and messy. You can see that it's getting on my eyelid there. I'm gonna get another coat. A lot of product is going on here. I'm wiggling it right in. Okay, I don't know. Is that enough? Looks very, very clumpy. Now we use the side hooks. There's like side hooks. So I use the side and it's almost like combing it. Oh, so that's like pretty much a lash comb. Ooh, it feels weird. It's like brushing all my knots out. It's like a massage. Wow, okay, this mascara is good. Oh, it's separating them, but not as much as I would like. It's kind of just clumping them, and I mean, that's what I personally like, but to me, it doesn't really look like I'm wearing falsies. Does it? They do have naturally thick lashes. It is drying very quickly too. Let's go on the bottom now. Load it and, oh, okay. I would say like it's very clumpy. I feel like that was a big trend like when I was in high school, was to like clump up your lashes. And I feel like the trend now, maybe I'm wrong, is more of a like wispy look. That's allegedly what was used to make them look like that. No comb. Oh, it's hard not to get mascara like all over your skin. Okay, so this is the before and after. It actually is quite dramatic. I like it. I wish I could be a little bit more neater on here, but I feel like it's almost impossible. But you could just take some makeup remover with a Q-tip and go along there. So I guess that isn't a big deal. Going with another coat. Yeah, they are pretty well dry. So I don't know if these are gonna go even more clumpy. So I would say it does not build well, but that's why we have the hook or the comb. Wait, it's like basically a comb. Hook them right in. Ooh, it's really pulling up my lashes. Every lash that I have, it's like being pulled up. Okay, that is a dramatic difference, I feel. I just really don't like how gloopy it is. And it doesn't have an overwhelming smell, so that's good. Does it look like false lashes? I want you guys to be the judge. It does look like a difference. I will give it that. But I feel like it would ruin any eyeshadow look that you would have, in my opinion. So the reveal, I think, is absolutely amazing. Like, exactly like Falsey. I'm just kidding. They also work on cats. Just kidding. He looks funny. They look really good. They look very dark. Oh, by the way, I got Blackest Black. I feel like it is a good mascara. I do like the fact that it does have a hook and you can load it, but I feel like my lashes do feel a little heavy, like I'm wearing falsies, but I feel like that is just more clump than whisk. Okay, now we're gonna go in on this side and do the exact same application, but we're not gonna do the tricks, I guess you would say. Okay, without curling or anything, we are gonna go straight in here and see if it's the same, because some people are doing this review and they're just putting it straight on, and then some people are curling their lashes and doing that eyeliner trick. So I wanna see both ways and see if it is the same all around and everything. So I'm gonna apply it. Ow! I stabbed myself in the eye with it. I feel like it's a dry mascara and a gloopy mascara at the same time, if that makes sense. Trying to deposit a lot of product here and pull up. Don't miss your inner corner lashes there, ladies and gents. Okay, now we're gonna take the hook and comb them out. I can already see, oh, maybe it's the same. I don't know. I feel like this side isn't as full, or maybe it's because they're sticking more straight out than up than this. I feel like it's the same amount of coating, but these ones are more up. So curl your lashes, everyone. I feel like that's all really, that it's not the mascara, it's like the way you're applying it. Curl your lashes. I'm gonna do a second coat here. Trying to push those babies up and then comb. No, they're pretty similar. I just think this side is a little bit more pushed up. Will you please tell me my hair looks sexy pushed back? I really like the hook method though. I think more mascaras need to have that, because if you don't own a lash comb, it's all in one. So I do really like that. Curling your lashes will do wonders. I think it's really the brush and the application. Here's what the lashes look like zoomed right in. So I would suggest, I think I'm gonna do this from now on, is putting liner in my tight line there, because it does make a difference in like the cat eye effect almost. It looks more full on this side. Maybe that is what my eyes going to, and you can tell that they are more pushed up. So maybe those few tricks will help you guys if you are wanting a more falsy look. It has been about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna feel them and see if there's any transfer. They feel very light. They don't feel clumpy. They feel like they're not like packed with product. So that's pretty good, and no transfer. They're dry pretty quick. Okay, update. This is so hard to get off. Like, it looks like it's coming off, but look at my lashes. These are good makeup remover wipes. It like is a pain to get off, so it really, really clumps. Usually my mascara comes off pretty easily, but I have to work to get this off. And this is my second day wearing it, and it's just a pain to get off, and it looks like I have black eyes after, and I didn't even get the waterproof one, so I can imagine how much scrubbing you're gonna have to do. So it stays put all day. I'll give it that. Okay guys, so that was my review of the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, unsponsored. Overall thoughts, would I repurchase it? Probably not, because I do wear a lot of falsies, and these do not, in my opinion, for what I like for falsies, give me the same effect of what I'm looking for in a falsie. Would I use this if I'm just wanting to whip on some mascara? Yes, if I curled my lashes first, I would. This does make a very full effect. It looks like I am put together. It just is a little bit messy, but there's nothing a little bit makeup remover can't fix. And also, it was $16.99, I think, Canadian, because I'm Canadian. So it was like $18 or something with tax and everything. So that was a little bit more pricey than your regular drugstore mascara. I think it's a nice one-time buy, but I wouldn't repurchase. I'll stick with my other mascaras that I know and love and that work well with falsies. I feel like these would clump up my falsies. To each their own, do you as always, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!